Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present our project-based learning for subject embedded system code BEEA 2374. So the project that we use is Smart Diffuser, and our group member is AL-HADRAMI bin RODIN JAYA, Muhammad Fahmi bin Muhammad Fadil, TASNIM binti JOHARI, and AISYATUL AMIRA binti AZLAN. So this is our introduction. A smart diffuser is a project developed to turn on the light, diffuse air, and detect the temperature. This diffuser can be used in a closed space like room, house, or office. An aromatic oil can be added a few drops into the diffuser after water is added for certain purpose. The essential oil are mixed with water and help you enjoy hair-boosting aromatherapy benefits such as reduce stress or get a better sleep. It also can detect the temperature in room or closed space. This is the system operation. A smart diffuser contains one main push button which will switch on the circuit. After switch on, the LCD will display that the circuit is switched on. Then it will let the current flow through the circuit where the potentiometer will start to sense the light intensity or dark space, and another push button can turn on the motor. Second, the LED is used to generate light inside the diffuser. It will turn on when the potentiometer that acts as sensor, it detects the light intensity. When the intensity is below 50%, the LED will produce light. When the intensity is 50% and above, the LED will not produce light. The DC motor acts as a diffuser. It will be controlled by another push button. This smart diffuser gives choice whether to use light and diffuser or light only. And the last one is the temperature sensor, act as room temperature sensor. The value of temperature will display at the LCD so that user will know the temperature of the room. So this is the coding for the push button and LCD. So the input here is push button and output is LCD. Okay, this is the simulation for the push button and LCD. So here we are going to see that what is the display on the LCD. So when we run, the LCD will display that the smart diffuser switch is off. When we turn on the button, so the LCD will display the smart diffuser will switch on. That's it.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fahmi. So, today I want to talk about potentiometer and LED. So, this is the coding that we use in Arduino, and we move to simulation. So, this simulation we have a potentiometer, resistor, and LED. So, we don't have a sensor in Proteus. So we use a potentiometer act as sensor, and it will detect light intensity. So an LED is will produce the light. If we trigger the potentiometer, it will turn on and turn off the LED. So if the potentiometer is under 50, it will the LED will turn on. If we trigger it above 50, the LED will turn off. So that's all for the potentiometer and LED.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AHMAD Al-HADRAMI and I will be representing the push button and motor. The circuit will be representing diffuser in the system. So here is the coding that will be used for the push button and motor circuit, as you can see here. And this would be the circuit that will be used. The potentiometer will representing the input, the circuit, and the motor will be representing the output, which is the diffuser. Okay, the Arduino Uno is loaded with the coding that has been done. And if we stimulate the circuit, The push button is needed to activate the circuit so that the motor will spin. Okay, as you can see here, if the input is low, which is the potentiometer is 40%, the spin of the motor that will be representing the diffuser will also be slow. And if the input of the potentiometer is added to a bigger amount, I will be using around 88%. The speed of the motor will also spin much more, will have more power in the spin. So hence in the system, if the um, diffuser need to purify the air surrounding, it will do much more, it will give out much more um, uh, smoke into the surrounding. Thank you.
Continue the presentation for the temperature sensor. So this is the coding that I make for the temperature sensor, and I place the temperature sensor as at pin A0 as the input, and the LCD display is the output. So this is how the temperature sensor works. After I click the push button, the run button, the temperature sensor will trigger and display the value of the temperature at the LCD display. So that's all for the temperature sensor. We move to the smart diffuser system. Smart diffuser system is the system that I combine all the output and input that I get from my group member. So this is how it works. After I click the run button, the LCD display will display the condition of the switch, which is on or off, and also display the temperature value. So to trigger or to light up the LED, we need to reduce the value of the potentiometer below than 50%, so the LED will light up. And to run the motor, we need to push the push button, and then the motor will run. And the conclusion is the smart diffuser system is save money, that because it come in two in one function, so it's convenient to use for all average age and easy to learn because it is use plug, play kits, and Arduino base. That's all from us. Thank you.